Try and pull it out. See if you can. Is that a flat foot? What do you think you got? What kind of foot is that? Hmm? Oh, is there something else? What's this? What's that?
What's that?
Let's see if I can do it.
It's a long neck. Look, a long neck.
I don't think so.
Go get it, kitty. It's right there.
I gotta pick up these pieces. Oh, the dogs are gonna eat it.
Why they will eat it? Not doesn't.
It's just the dogs like to eat everything. You can get it now?
You gotta go wash your hands after that, cutie pie. Cause
It won't be toxic. It wouldn't.
no, but he will
give this
taste
to
bad.
kids
When
if
he's,
it was toxic.
no, but I know can be.
Leo, can you get it now? Can you get it? Leo, come see. Can you get it? What is it?
Oh,
What is that? Is it a body?
Oh, boy.
I know. Gotta go wash it.
Oh, what's that? What's that?
What's that?
Is that a mammoth?
Mommy?
It's an elephant. There's gotta be something else in here. There's gotta be something else. A good tug. Whoa. You need to dig it a little more? Oh, Lil, here. Look, what's this? I think that's everything. Could be wrong, but very sure that's everything that's supposed to be in it.